In this video, I will show you how to shut down and restart your computer on Windows 11. Whether you have a desktop or a laptop, the steps are similar. First things first, to access the shutdown and restart options, move your mouse cursor down to the bottom of your screen. Here, you'll find the taskbar. Click on the Windows icon, located in the lower left corner. This action opens up the Start menu, where you'll find various applications and settings. Now that you have the Start menu open, look towards the bottom right corner. You will see a power icon. This is crucial for shutting down or restarting your device. Click on this power icon. A small menu will appear showing several options related to powering your computer. If you're ready to shut down your computer completely, simply click on Shutdown. This option closes all running applications and powers off your device safely. On the other hand, if you want to restart your computer, perhaps after installing updates or resolving issues, click on Restart. This option will close all programs and reboot your system without turning it off completely first. It's a quick way to refresh everything running on your machine. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.